Welcome to Body Fit. Today, we're going to explore 6 effective exercises that can help improve your eyesight naturally. These simple practices can enhance your vision and promote overall eye health. Let's get started. Our eyes are our windows to the world, and maintaining good vision is crucial for our quality of life. Regular eye exercises can strengthen the eye muscles, improve focus, and reduce eye strain. Here are the best 6 exercises to incorporate into your daily routine. Palming is a relaxing exercise that helps to relieve eye strain and stress. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and cover them with your palms without pressing. Take deep breaths and relax for 2 to 3 minutes. This exercise helps to calm the optic nerve and rejuvenate your eyes. Eye rolling strengthens the eye muscles and improves flexibility. Start by sitting comfortably and roll your eyes in a circular motion. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. Repeat this 10 times in each direction. This exercise helps to keep your eye muscles flexible and healthy. Focus shifting improves your ability to adjust your focus between near and far objects. Hold your thumb about 10 inches away from your face and focus on it. Then, shift your focus to an object 10 to 20 feet away. Alternate between near and far focus 10 times. This exercise enhances your focus and reduces eye strain. The figure 8 exercise improves eye movement control and coordination. Imagine a large figure 8 on the floor about 10 feet in front of you. Trace the figure 8 slowly with your eyes, first in one direction and then the other. Perform this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes to enhance eye flexibility. This exercise is similar to focus shifting but involves more rapid changes. Hold your thumb or a pin in front of your face and focus on it for 15 seconds. Then, quickly shift your focus to a distant object for another 15 seconds. Repeat this for 2 to 3 minutes. This exercise helps in improving the flexibility of your eyes. Blinking is a simple yet powerful exercise that keeps your eyes moist and reduces dryness. Blink rapidly for 10 to 15 seconds, then close your eyes and relax for a few seconds. Repeat this several times throughout the day. Blinking helps to refresh your eyes and prevent strain. Incorporating these 6 exercises into your daily routine can significantly improve your eyesight naturally. Regular practice can enhance your vision, reduce eye strain, and promote overall eye health. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.